Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's learn with Simran. Of course, I'm Simran Kaur and this channel is dedicated to enhance your English vocabulary. So, today we are going to learn difference between resign and resign. Resign and resign. Oops, almost similar, right? But yet totally different in meanings. Do you want to know how? Please watch this video till end. And before we get started, kindly subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so that every time I post video, you get notified. Alright then, let's start. Resign. Please focus on pronunciation. We will pronounce SI here as Z. Resign. Resign or resignation means to officially leave your job or your position, etc. through your own choice rather than being told to leave. In other words, you can say when an employee chooses willingly to leave his position or his job, it is considered as resign. In simple words, you can say when you have decided that you don't want to work with a particular organization, maybe you have found a better opportunity, or maybe you don't want to accept something that you don't like and because you cannot change it easily. Past form, resigned. Past participle, resigned. Present participle, resigning. Examples: he should reconsider his decision to resign. He should reconsider his decision to resign. Another example: the manager is adamant that he will not resign. The manager is adamant that he will not resign. One more example for you. I wanted to resign, but my boss persuaded me to stay. I wanted to resign, but my boss persuaded me to stay. Now let's talk about resign. We will pronounce it resign as we pronounce it for signature, or you can say short form of signature, resign. Resign with hyphen means to sign a document again or to sign a contract again. Maybe you have not found a better opportunity, or maybe you left the company due to emergency, but now you have recovered and you want to rejoin the company again. Past tense, resigns. Past participle, resigned. Present participle, resigning. Examples: he resigned the contract after he had recovered from his injury. He resigned the contract after he had recovered from his injury. Another example: Alicia played well for my club last season and she agreed to resign. Alicia played well for my club last season and she agreed to resign. Both the words sounds almost same but different in meanings except the hyphen. I hope you like this video. Kindly share your valuable feedback, guidance and your suggestion in the comment box so that I can make more videos for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep practicing and stay safe. Bye-bye.